Okay, so this is black soldier fly larva. You have to come in. Yeah, the fly.
Oh, it's flying out.
So, yeah, a lot flying around. They're harmless lah, so it's okay. So they will lay eggs. Their cycle is around 28 days. 21 days is larva stage. Then 22nd day to the 28th day is their fly stage. Then they will lay eggs and then they will die. So the fly stage, they will lay eggs in between these things. Then we scrap the eggs and start again. So the chickens, ducks and fish, they will feed on the larva. The smaller larvas, we feed the baby chicks. Bigger larva, then we feed the bigger chickens and ducks. And they're mating. So when they are adult stage, right, fly stage, they don't eat anything. They only suck liquid. That's why we give them all these banana leaves. This is soya we got from the market. Okay, this is the kapongpong before they turn to fly, and then inside there's a lot of pupa. You can see later. So when we want to feed them, usually we will get the eggs first, and then after that we put them on the tray. And before we feed them, we sieve. The sieve is outside. Then let's go outside. Pada waktu pagi mendengar seruan